Hey everyone, welcome back to TJ Episodes, your go-to spot for easy math tutorials. In this quick video, we will learn how to find the value of x, which makes f of x to reach its minimum. In other words, we are intending to locate the minimum point of the graph of this function. F of x is equal to 4x squared minus 50x plus 126. This problem was shared by Ken UC, a fantastic Facebook page that regularly posts insightful and challenging SAT questions. If you're a student preparing for a standardized test or simply love solving math problems, make sure to like and follow Ken UC on Facebook. Their content is educational, engaging, and perfect for sharpening your problem solving skills. Let us support pages that support our growth. Follow Ken UC today. If you examine the given function, it is written in standard form. It means the terms involving the variable x are arranged in decreasing order of exponent. See here the constant term has no variable x, since x here raised to 0 which deduces to 1. From the given format, we can easily identify the values of the coefficients. A here is 4, the middle term is negative 50x, so b is equal to negative 50. This follows the rules of integers where a minus sign indicates a negative value. Even though the standard form shows positive bx, we substitute the actual value of b, which is in this case as negative. And finally, c is equal to 126. Now, why do we need these values? Because it helps us to describe the behavior of the graph, specifically whether it opens upward or downward, and it allows us to solve for the value of x, which gives us a clue about the minimum point of the graph of the given function. Since the value of a is greater than 0, meaning it is positive, the parabola opens upward. Based on this information, we can now estimate the possible shape and orientation of the graph of the function. This is actually what the graph looks like. When the parabola opens upward, its lowest point happens to be its vertex. In terms of coordinates, the vertex is written as hk, where h is the x-coordinate or the value of x that gives the minimum, and k is actually the minimum value of the function or simply the f of x. Shortly, knowing the value of h is actually having the value of x. And whatever the value obtained for k, that's the value for f of x. But in the context of this problem, we are simply looking for the value of x. By definition, the x-coordinate of the vertex is given by negative p over 2a, the given formula for h. Using these values, we copy negative sign first before substituting the value for b, that's negative 50. Don't forget to enclose in a pair of parentheses since b happens to be negative. Then replace a by 4. Simplifying now the resulting equation, we have 50 over 8. In simplest form, that is 25 over 4, or approximately 6.25. And there you go, we have now the value of x, that is 25 over 4, or 6.25. We consider its decimal form because that's the best option if you're about to graph the function in a Cartesian plane. And this is the graph of the given function using GeoGebra. As you can see, the value of h, which is rx, that makes f of x attain its lowest point is indeed 6.25. And that's a wrap up today's math test. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and to follow this page for more clear and simple math tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comment below. This is TJ episode where we take it one task at a time. See you in the next one.